This poor creature lives under extreme pressure all its life. Volcanic snails live nearly 3 kilometers underwater in volcanic vents where the environment is harsh and food is scarce. Any other snail would crush under such pressure, but this one literally has a shell made out of iron that protects it. They survive solely on bacteria and barely move to conserve energy. Hell, they don't even have eyes or optic nerves. Volcanic snails are known for their amazing survival abilities, but their species are unfortunately endangered due to deep underwater mining.